Hi guys, this is Ashish. So today I'm going to be talking about simple DC motor. Okay, so for the construction of simple DC motor, you would need a few things. You would need a strong neodymium magnets, two metallic coil holders with hole at both of its ends. You see the holes. Some copper wire, battery holder, and a base. So now let's talk about the coil. So in order to make this coil, you need to take 20 turns of enamelled copper wire. The gauge reading could be somewhere around 25, and then take the both of its end of the coil and make a loop around it so that they are in the opposite direction. Scrape both ends of these wire which is coming out of the coil, both ends, and make sure that one end is only 3/4 scraped out in order to make the connection on and off. Okay, so now let's talk about the working of this simple DC motor. So I'll take the coil and insert both ends of the coil in the coil holder like this, and then complete the connection by connecting the one end of the wire to the battery. You see the DC motor now is running at quite a fast speed. See that? So this is a simple DC motor running. I'll show you from this end also. So it has started again. Okay, so now let's talk about the working of this simple DC motor. So this simple DC motor works on Lorentz force and follows the Fleming's left hand rule. So the thumb signifies the direction of the force, this finger signifies the direction of the magnetic field, and my middle finger signifies the direction of the current. So in this case, the direction of the current is from this to this direction, that is from negative terminal to the positive one, and magnetic field is upwards from this neodymium magnet. So the coil moves in this left direction. So the coil moves in this direction, left and upward direction. So in this simple DC motor, one thing needs to be noted, that it works on the principle of Lorentz force and Fleming's left hand rule, and not on magnetism. This coil makes magnetism, but to a very small extent, which is negligible, unlike the modern DC motors. So that was all for now, guys. So if you like my video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do support me on Patreon. Bye.